Hey everybody, and welcome to Assignment X. We're going to be applying the exterior angle inequality theorem. We're going to section these exercises off so they go with the appropriate picture. We have numbers 1 and 2 will go with the first picture, 3 through 8 will go with the second picture, and 9 and 10 go with the third. Okay, so we need to list, for number 1, we need to list all the angles whose measures are less than angle 1. Well, angle 1 is an exterior angle, and that means angles 3 and 4 go with, are definitely less than angle 1. Okay, for number 2, we want all angles whose measures are greater than angle 3. Angle 3 is an interior angle. It's interior to both exterior angle 1 and 5, so those angles go there. And then we go to number 3 through 8. Those go with this triangle here, and if you look, we actually have 3 triangles. Triangle TUW, UWV, and the big triangle TUV. Name all the angles whose measures are less than 1. Angle 1 is, well, it's an interior and exterior angle. It is an exterior angle to 5 and 6, so that means it's definitely greater than angle 5 and angle 6. For number 4, name all angles whose measures are greater than angle 1. Okay, angle 1 is an interior angle compared to angle 7, right there. Name all angles whose measures are less than the measure of angle 7. Okay, well, that's going to be quite a few interior angles. We definitely have angles 1 and 3. We definitely have angles 5 and 6. But the interesting thing about 5 is it is part of a bigger angle, this entire one right here. That entire angle, 3 and 5 combined, make an interior angle opposite to 7. So we're going to label that angle TUV. Okay, remember what the theorem says. If you have an exterior angle, it's always going to be larger than the interior angles. Alright, number 6, all angles whose measures are greater than the measure of angle 2. Angle 2 is interior, the exterior angle is 4, that is the only one guaranteed to be bigger. Name all angles whose measures are greater than angle 5. Okay, angle 5 is up here, it's an interior angle. It's part of an interior angle 3 and 5 again combined, so once again we have angle TUV again. Okay, so that entire angle will be bigger than the small part, which is 5. We also have angle 1, which is exterior to it. And we also have angle 7, which is exterior to the bigger angle TUV, which we've already noted. So angle 1 and angle 7. And lastly, for number 8 here, all angles whose measures are less than angle 4. We'll think of 4 as exterior. That means 3 and 2 are interior. Okay, and then we come to 9 and 10, our last picture here. Name all angles whose measures are less than the measure of angle 1. Well, quite a few here. We got angle 1 exterior. Interior angles are definitely angle 7. And angle 4 and 5 combined, that would be angle NPO. And we also have angles 4 and angles 5 individually, and the reason for that is they both comprise angle NPO, and they're both smaller than NPO, which we've established is smaller than angle 1. The last one, number 10, all angles whose measures are greater than that of 4. 4 being an interior angle. Exterior to that would be, of course, angle 1. We see 1 is exterior to angle 4. Angle 8 is also an exterior angle, and so it would be greater than angle 4 on the opposite side. And then we have angle ROQ, if we think of the smaller triangle. Angle 4 is actually part of the smaller triangle ROQ, and there's one more, angle OPN. If you look at where that is, OPN, that is part of the larger angle, which makes 4 and 5 together. But due to the exterior angle, OPN is definitely greater than that of 4, due to the fact that it pairs with 5.